Morning everyone. Just thought I'd come on and give you a quick update on our van build. So I finished the first layering of insulation. Such a tricky word, isn't it to say? Insulation yesterday, as far as I'm going to do for the European trip. Steve managed to get in 3 windows, which is brilliant. So we've been to IKEA and bought a set of method cupboards for the kitchen, and we spent last night putting one together. Obviously it was quite late when we started, so we finished that this morning. I'll just give you a quick show of that now. So we've gone for this one, which is going to go over on the driver's side, and this is basically housing a microwave. Ooh. Not sure how that works. There we go. Good to know. So we've gone with 2 drawer system, and this one to give us a bit of extra storage. And then in the bottom cupboard we've got our new bigger fridge, because we decided if we've got a bigger van then we've got the room for a bigger fridge, and decided to get the door to cover that, so that will go on the driver's side. We've got another kitchen unit with cupboards, which will house the sink to go over on the passenger side, but I don't think we're going to get that done for this trip. We'll sort that out when we get back. But yeah, that's where we're up to. Very basic for going away. We've got the Scorver bed frame and mattress. Sorry, you can hear that. That's Steve doing some more bits outside on the van. So we've got the Scorver bed. We bought a mattress. Don't know if you're interested in which mattress it is, but we went for this one. What is it? I'm not even going to try and pronounce that, but yeah, it's the it's the memory foam topped one. Steve didn't want to compromise on comfort, and I'm with him on that, because we've had some cushions before. We got the Contour camper cushions that were dreadful, but we used them when we did our German road trip in Vicky, sponge, and we just both ended up with really bad hip ache and backache and whatnot. So yeah, really pleased with the kitchen unit. There was a bit of fiddle faddle that went on just to jig the drawers about, because when we sat with Jamie at Gateshead IKEA and went through designing just this little unit here, he asked us what we wanted, and we said somewhere to store the fridge, obviously. But yeah, if we could get 2 drawers in, which we did manage to, and the microwave, that takes care of that storage. But yeah, like I said, there was a bit of fiddle faddling going on to try and jig those drawers about, which Steve managed to do, thankfully. But yeah, I'll let you know how it fares going forward. But we've done a bit of research on these, and the guy at IKEA, Jamie, said that lots of people are using these units now for van builds, camper van builds. So apart from a weight issue, we'll have to see how that goes. But yeah, really pleased with it. So we'll catch you up at some point, either this week or when we head to Europe. But take care and have a good Sunday, guys. Bye.